AI crypto coins are going crazy. AI crypto coins are blasting off, leaving people with their mouths open, wondering how this got away. How did they miss this move? And we've been telling you on the Crypto Factor, I've been telling you to not neglect AI. People were focusing out of AI and into gaming because of the likes of Alex Becker, because of the likes of Elio Trades. But AI is an extremely strong narrative, and we noticed that people kind of like gave up on it or stopped paying attention as much as they were supposed to. So in this video, I'm going to give you some of my personal AI crypto positions and coins so you can make profits and possibly become a millionaire this crypto bull market. And we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Fetchai. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Fetchai.
Okay, look, you've seen AI crypto coins move, and you've seen them move quite aggressively, and we called AI back when no one was really talking about it. We called the first run, this run, and I'm gonna call the third, fourth, and fifth run because AI is gonna give you tremendous gains this bull market. And yes, we all know there are coins that are less risky that will do well, but riskier coins that will do better or possibly do better and give you much more gains. So the question is, which coins do you choose? So what I'm gonna do in this video is share with you my favorite AI crypto coins, what I'm personally holding and why, and this as a portfolio should give you amazing gains. So do me a favor, before you watch this video, pause this video, go grab yourself your favorite beverage, some coffee, some snacks, whatever, grab yourself a notepad, grab yourself a pen, and let's get started. Okay, so first up we have Render or Render coin, and what this is distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. Now granted, this can be in gaming and AI, which actually makes it a great play because you're getting two birds with one stone here. But in a nutshell, their vision is to democratize GPU cloud rendering, something that's much needed in this space. Now, if you look at the price on Render on the daily, you can see a potential bottom here. Go to the weekly and you will see it's going to challenge its recent highs of about $6.39. It looks like it made this range down here into support. Let's go to the monthly here. And you can see this a little bit more clearly. Maybe it pulls back to 5.75, maybe not, but it is gonna challenge this all-time high. And if it breaks that, which it's already broken its previous all-time high here, this can actually re-challenge all-time highs of $7.6. Break that, you have blue sky breakout and price discovery. And yes, I believe that Render is posed to do this. I do believe it's gonna break it, and we're looking at a 3 to 5x at the very least in this bull market. So Render could be a blue chip play in that regard, and you're also tackling gaming and AI. Now talking about blue chips, next up, we have Fetch.ai, one of my favorite plays, which we also called early in this market. Now, there was some drama with Fetch.ai. There were some rumors that it might go bankrupt, and I actually made a move and made a video about it saying, I don't know if it's true, I don't know if it isn't, but I took half of my Fetch and put it into Ajax and had another 25% of that into ChainGPT. This was to protect myself, but also continue on the upside since Ajax is a partner of Fetch and ChainGPT should move faster and both of them should take market share if there's any problems with Fetch.ai. And look, I was correct. If you look at the charts, you'll see we made more profits making that move while protecting ourselves. Now, a lot of you might say, Paul, it was just FUD. Why would you do that? I just held. Yeah, I understand that. And if you have $500, $1,000, $2,000 in Fetch, That makes sense. But some of us have a lot more. I have clients that are holding $10,000 and $20,000 of Fetch. Would you take that risk? Regardless, Fetch is a good play and one of our best plays. Look at the price overview right here. It looks like we have made support in this range. Let's go to the weekly here. And you can see we're going to challenge 0.95 cents pretty soon. And if we break that, we may even have blue sky breakout and all-time highs. Well, a little bit above that. Okay, at 95 cents, no, that's it. Right here, we're re-challenging these highs, and if we break this, this is blue sky breakout. This is extremely bullish, and I recommend people to get into Fetch.ai. Of course, use caution for what we mentioned earlier on. Next up, we have SingularityNET. We just talked about this play, and this is the second blue chip in our AI portfolio. Fetch.ai and Ajax were our top plays. We called them very early, and these are blue chips in the AI world, so to speak, or AI, crypto AI ecosystem. And as you can see, SingularityNET is pushing the AI and AGI frontier. Now, as I said, SingularityNET just made a partnership with Fetch.ai. They're doing very well. They're very well respected. And I actually called this in the previous bull market and actually said that this is coming, but we're not there just yet. I pretty much said that AI and this coin will do very well in the next bull market. Talking about this bull market we're in right now. Look at the price action over here. We just made support here on the daily, or looks like we've made support on the daily. Let's go to the weekly over here. And you can actually see we're on the way to retest this 53 cents. If we break that, that would be short-term all-time high. And let me just verify. Yeah, we're very, very close to previous all-time highs of 51 cents. If we break this, blue sky breakout, price discovery. So even though these are blue chips in the AI space, these have a lot of room to grow, to expand, and reach those face-melting gains that are possible that we may see in this bull market. Next up, we have ChainGPT. And ChainGPT is an AI blockchain on the Binance ecosystem. Now, there's a lot going on with ChainGPT. There are airdrops, there is APY, a lot of people are staking it. I didn't have a chance to stake it. It looks like their site is being overwhelmed by traffic. But look at the price here. You see a beautiful chart here on the daily. Go to the 7-day, you will see we're close to the 29-cent area over here. I do believe we're gonna challenge and break this. And once we break this, and correction, we actually broke this. We're actually breaking all-time highs right now, which was at 28 cents or so. So we just broke this. We are in blue sky breakout. We are in price discovery. This has only gone up 100% in general, which is nothing in crypto, and this can give you amazing gains. Now, as I said, this is on the Binance chain, so you can get it on PancakeSwap here, but it's also available on Bybit and MEXC, and I do believe other exchanges should and will also list it. So ChainGPT is a great play and should be part of your portfolio because it can give you massive, massive gains. Next up, we have the Lithium, or the AGI token, or AGI token, or however you want to call it. And I've actually made a review of this not too long ago. They actually sponsored one of my videos. Now, this is not a sponsored video. What you're watching right now is not a sponsored video. They did not ask for this video, but I am getting bullish on AGI. As a matter of fact, I've reached out to them in anticipation for possibly getting into a partnership with them. So you may actually see me do more videos on AGI in general. But regardless of if that happens or not, it's a great project. But as you can see, price action wise, it's actually doing very well. It looks like it's making a range into support. Go to the weekly. You can see it's going to challenge these highs here very soon. I do think it's going to break it. Even if it goes down first, then comes back up to challenge it. Go to the monthly here. You can actually see it's very close to previous all-time highs of 16 cents. Break that. And even though it's not blue sky breakout, by the way, we broke previous resistance over here, and we're looking to make this range here into support. Do that, and then I think it will very easily go to previous all-time highs of 32 cents. That's a 2x, and possibly break this and do at least a 2 or 3x, if not more, by the end of this bull run. Next up, we have PAAI. And with PAAI, you can actually get your own bot right now. Now, one thing I don't like is this website. I do feel you have to keep on scrolling and scrolling to get to the point, and I don't like that. But generally speaking, the design and the graphics are just amazing. And PAAI has been doing great in this space. I'm actually staking PAAI myself, and I'm actually staking PAAI long term because you get awarded in PAAI, but you also get awarded with Ethereum, which is actually quite amazing. Go to the price, you can actually see where it dropped today, but this is after an amazing run that we've had. We have made this range into support. Let's see if we challenge these all-time highs of 39 cents soon. I believe we will. We might do a little bit of a pullback first, but then we're gonna go up and challenge these all-time highs. And if we break that, we may even get a blue sky breakout. See, we're already in blue sky breakout over here. We're already in price discovery. The question is, are we going to go up higher? And I do believe we are. I do believe that PAAI is going to melt faces this bull market. Next up, we have Octavia, and Octavia is something I've been tweeting about, and I really believe that this project will do very well. Now, to be quite frank, I don't think this is the most beautiful robot in the world. I do think they need to do better, in my opinion, and they do need to fix the site. I'm trying to scroll here, I'm having difficulties, but yeah, they do need to fix their website, but I do believe Octavia is gonna do very well. And even though I am an early investor in Octavia, I do have allocation, and I have explained what that is in other videos. Please understand that this video is not sponsored. They did not ask me to make this video. They did not reach out to me to make this video. They don't even know if I'm gonna make this video or not. But I do believe that Octavia is gonna do very well. And if you're wondering about the price, there is no price because it's not out yet. It's actually releasing soon. I think it's gonna release by the time you watch this video though, so you can check it out. So yeah, here is their Twitter account, so you can follow them and you can actually see the launch via their token hits the stage tomorrow, 20th of February. So you're probably watching this video, this just released, and it's available on MEXC and PancakeSwap as well as Gate.io. And if you go to my profile here, the crypto factor, by the way, it's MC Paul D, if you're wondering, follow me. I give a lot of alpha and a lot of different info on Twitter that I don't on YouTube. So follow me on Twitter or X here or whatever. And if you scroll down here, right after I make fun of some XRP maxis over here, if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll actually see my tweets on Octavia. So check out Octavia. I actually think it's a pretty good play, should be part of your portfolio, as this has potential to give you massive gains. Of course, it has the potential, all these cryptos have the potential to go to zero and leave you with shit. Just keep that in mind, but keep an eye on Octavia because I think you're gonna want to look into it. Then we have ZeroX0.ai, and I've talked about this for quite a while, still not listed on many exchanges, but the price action is phenomenal. So this is definitely something to look into, and it does look like it's pumping, and it does reward you just for holding this coin. Go to the 7-day here, you can actually see it's close to 21 cents. Let's Let's see if it breaks that, and if it does, we are in all-time highs. So we are in blue sky breakout and we are in price discovery. Go to the yearly, you can see there's nothing else above here. As a matter of fact, we've already broken out, we're already in price discovery. This can go much, much higher. Yes, I know it's already done quite a big of a run, but I do think it can go up a lot higher. Look, AI coins, all these coins we mentioned and more, and ones we are going to mention are gonna do great, and as a combination are a great portfolio. This portfolio can give you massive, huge gains in this bull market. And look, I've made a lot of videos on my channel on crypto AI, and if you scroll through my videos, you will see a lot of videos on AI that I really think you should look into. So make sure you subscribe for more videos, more AI crypto videos and general crypto videos. Go ahead, subscribe down below so you don't miss important videos that can actually be life-changing. Now check out this video over here. You really want to watch this video next. Don't miss this video. Subscribe down below and I will see you in the next one.